In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix common Lightroom desktop issues fast, safely, and in just a few minutes. Whether Lightroom is running slow, sync is failing, photos won't render, or exports are acting up, these fixes can save you a lot of time and frustration. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick Adobe tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, if Lightroom is feeling slow or laggy, open Preferences, then go to Performance. From here, switch GPU off or set it to basic. This can instantly reduce lag on some systems. Next, go to Local Storage and increase your cache size if possible. A larger cache can help Lightroom handle previews more smoothly. If things still feel sluggish, clear the cache and restart the app. That alone often gives Lightroom a fresh start. Next, let's fix sync errors like 403 or 107. Start by going to Help, then sign out of your Adobe account and sign back in. After that, click the cloud icon and try pausing sync, then resuming it. If you're using a VPN, turn it off, because VPNs can interrupt cloud communication and trigger sync problems. In many cases, that's enough to get syncing back on track. If you see an error rendering a photo, the first thing to try is disabling GPU acceleration, then clear the cache and restart Lightroom. Rendering issues are often caused by graphics conflicts or temporary file problems, so this simple reset can make a big difference. If import is not working, check whether the file format is supported by Lightroom. Some files simply won't import correctly. Also, try moving the files to your internal drive instead of importing from an external location. And make sure your file names and folder paths are not too long, because long paths can sometimes break the import process. For export issues, change the export location to a different folder and try exporting again. If TIFF is causing a problem, switch to JPEG for a faster and more compatible export. Also check folder permissions, because Lightroom may not be allowed to save files in certain locations. If your photos are missing, remember that Lightroom Cloud version depends on a stable internet connection. Reconnect to the internet and give it time to finish syncing. Sometimes the photos are not gone at all, they're just still loading from the cloud. If Lightroom keeps crashing, make sure you update it through Creative Cloud first. If that doesn't help, try resetting the app by signing out, closing it, and restarting it again. A clean restart can clear out temporary glitches that cause crashes. And if you're getting a storage full warning, go back into Preferences, open Local Storage, and move your originals to an external drive if needed. Then clear the cache to free up space. This is one of the best ways to keep Lightroom running smoothly over time. So that's how to fix the most common Lightroom desktop issues, from lag and sync errors to export problems and storage warnings. Try these steps one by one, and in most cases, you'll have Lightroom working again without needing complicated troubleshooting. If this video helped you out, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.